Guys, welcome back to Python GUI, and I will show a test that I did is to learn how to control a servo motor, this guy. And to do that I built a GUI to control by this interface. So let's make this test. I put a dial, but I didn't integrate with the servo motor yet, but the slider is working and this button also. This first button is to reset. It put the servo motor to the position of 0. We have our second button. It will turn on the green LED and put the servo motor in the 15 degrees position. I will press and voila, we have our LED green and our servo motor with the position of 50 degrees. Also, we have also this button. It will turn on the blue LED. I will press this and our servo motor turn it, and by the last our yellow button will press, and we have our 4 functions from the button. I will reset. The servo motor will come back to the position of 0, and by the slider I didn't make this work well. I am have some problem to make the Python give this correct signal to the servo motor, so it didn't work. I have some problem. By the last we have this line edit. We can put our degree. For example, I will put 40 and press the run button, and our servo motor will turn as the number I put in this line edit. So let's test 60 and run. So our guy here turned it. So thank you for watching. This is a little test that I did. The main goal is to build in the future a robot with 3 or 4 or 5, who knows, servo motor excuse me, with 4 arms in 3 dimensions. I will use an interface that I already presented in the channel for the robot. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, and until the next.